You may take for granted turning on your tap for safe, clean water. It's there when you need it. But here in Santa Clara County, there's an entire water system most people never get to see. Hi, I'm Matt Keller with Valley Water, and today I'm going to be your guide. We're going to show you how we provide safe, clean water, flood protection, and environmental stewardship for the community here in Santa Clara County. And there's only one way to see it all. It's time to discover how Valley Water keeps Santa Clara County flowing. And the best view is from above. Let's go. First stop, Anderson Reservoir, our biggest reservoir by far. Valley Water manages 10 reservoirs across the county, which help provide water for our creeks and help recharge our groundwater basins.
And we're working on a major seismic retrofit project to protect Anderson Dam during an earthquake, including this tunnel that will move water out of the reservoir.
Our next stop looks calm, but these groundwater recharge ponds are quietly some of the hardest working facilities in the county. Nearly half the water you use comes from groundwater.
We give Mother Nature a helping hand by spreading water out and letting the ground slowly soak it up like a sponge. It's a simple process that stores water underground for dry years.
Who doesn't love a day at the bay? But here's the challenge. Sea level has risen 8 inches in the last 100 years, and it's not stopping. That's why Valley Water is investing in the Shoreline Project to protect more than 1,100 homes and businesses, building coastal levees and transitional habitat, even reestablishing tidal marshes in the former salt ponds, which can help the community and ecosystem adapt to the rising sea levels.
These marshes are nature's flood barriers, slowing down and absorbing water during storms and high tides.
Our next stop, where water becomes drinking water. To serve the people, businesses, and agriculture of Santa Clara County, Valley Water operates 3 water treatment plants that can produce up to 220 million gallons of drinking water every day.
We constantly monitor your water to make sure it's clean and safe to drink.
All delivered through the hidden infrastructure you don't see, nearly 150 miles of pipelines. Now we're flying into the future. This is the Silicon Valley Advanced Water Purification Center, where we are rethinking how every drop can be used and reused. We can produce up to 8 million gallons of highly purified water daily, which is used to improve recycled water.
We are now looking ahead to using purified water in our drinking water supply to create a reliable, drought-resilient local water source. We are working on a new facility with an advanced treatment process that will produce up to 24,000 acre-feet of purified water each year for drinking.
We don't just provide for the valley, we protect it. Valley Water's flood protection projects already help reduce risk for more than 100,000 properties across Santa Clara County.
And over the next 5 years, new projects like the Upper Yagas Flood Protection Project will reduce the risk of flooding for 25,000 additional properties.
One last stop before we land. Water supports communities and nature too. Taking care of the wildlife and the land is a central part of our mission.
Our habitat restoration and fish passage projects help wildlife thrive and support healthy ecosystems.
And just like that, the tour is over. Everything you've seen today, from the reservoirs in our hills to treatment plants to protecting our shoreline, our communities, and our native species, it's all connected. And behind every drop, a dedicated team working together, keeping Santa Clara County moving forward. Thanks for coming along on the tour, and we'll see you around.